Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS with Precision Site. So guys, today I bring one course which is entirely given by the Finland University, and it is also free. So I will show you that which course is this and how you can get this course. So now I open the browser, and regarding this course I also make a article on my blog, so you can go through my blog also. I'll share on description part. You can follow my blogs also. Here I share the entire information regarding this course. The course name is the Elements of Artificial Intelligence. That means it covered the artificial intelligence concept and its parts like deep learning, machine learning and applications, and the entire course is contained in this topic, that is the element of artificial intelligence. Here I share the entire information, what is the goal, duration, content it, and how you can process this course. So now I will show you also how you can continue this course and sign up this course, so you can start and learn regarding the artificial intelligence. So this is the website name, elementsofai.com. Put this. After entering this, you can receive this page. See here, the information is given here, and yeah, this one is the part 1 course, and next part is coming soon. So if you want to prepare for the second part, then you can put your email ID here and you will get the notification when it course is available in this website. So now move on. For starting this course, click on the start course and you can select the language also that you prefer. English, Nork, Svenska, Isti, these all languages are there. So I select the English and click on the start the course. So the next page will be open. See here, that page will be shown up here, and I will show you the content of this course also. See here, the first chapter. This course is about 6-week duration, and each chapter for 1 week duration is there. So chapter 1 here, what is AI? Chapter 2, AI problem solving. Chapter 3, real world AI. See here, chapter 4, machine learning. Chapter 5, neural network, that also mean deep learning. And the chapter 6, implications. So you can start this course by clicking on here. Before that you have to sign up, so click on sign up option. See, this page will be open. Then put your email ID, create a password, then first name, last name. If you are a University of Helsinki, then you can mention your student number, otherwise no need of it. And select your living area, postal code. After that, just click end. How do you want to study this? If you want to regular pattern on recommended basis, that will contain around 5 hours per week, so you can go through 6-week course in a regular phase. And if you want to prepare your own timing, on self pace, then you can select this option, fill the entire information there and check this box. After that, click the submit option, then your ID will be created and you will directly reach to this page. I will show you because I have already make the ID here. I also started the course also here, so I log in through my ID. My ID is see here. Then after sign in, see, I started the course also and I completed the 7 exercise out of 25, and in 7 exercise I score 26%. That means you have to complete the course, give the test also in chapter wise, and you will score. And the question is containing around 2%, 4%, 6% on that basis your correct answer will be goes on increasing. And for getting the certificate, yeah, I will tell you about the certificate. For certificate you have to complete the 90% course, that means around 23 out of 25 exercise, and the current answer should be minimum 50% for the qualification of certificate. So I hope you can easily get more than 50%. See here, I finished the chapter 1 already, and chapter 2 I started, chapter 2 also I completed, chapter 3. So for starting the chapter 1 you can click here. After that learn it and click on next. So I will show you the next option here. So this is my answers. After that select next section. So on this way you can learn this course. It is totally free, no need of any amount, and you will also get the course of completion certificate also. Thank you guys so much for watching our video, and please subscribe our channel, like and share this video, and please support us. Thank you so much for watching this. Bye, take care.